Hello guys, welcome back to Show Me 105, and as you seen in the thumbnail, we got a new project today, and it's not that good looking, I ain't gonna lie, but yeah, here it is. It's pretty much what you got. It's a 81 250R, 82 maybe, not exactly sure on the year of it. It's an 82, but yeah, we're gonna do a resto on this thing, and I just want to introduce y'all to this truck. And I've always wanted a racing three-wheeler, so and I love two-strokes, so this is what I got. You know, it's the best of both worlds. Hopefully we don't kill ourselves on it, but you know, it's all about the rider. We're gonna have to replace the forks, obviously, the front fender, and I do have a new motor for this thing. The previous owner kind of had it in a million pieces, and the crank was rusty, so I just went ahead and bought a new engine off eBay for it. And so what we're gonna do now, pretty much, is just tear all the paint off the frame there. We're gonna pretty much tear it down to a bare frame and just redo it. But oh goodness. Would you like to tell us more about this truck?
It's clapped.
Anybody looking at it can tell you it's clapped. But yeah, this is our new craptastic project we got going on here at Show Me 105. You know, the whole team will probably be working on it. You know, we're all excited for it, so hopefully we get it done quick, but we just kind of want to introduce you there to it. So we're having a little pesky swing arm bolt here, so we're going to try to get it out. We're going to use a little bit of heat, you know, and some PV blaster, you know.
Yeah.
What we're trying to do here is heat it up so the metal will expand and hopefully release our swing arm bolt, or what's left of it. Solid as a rock. May end up having to cut it off. So, all right. So we couldn't get the swing arm bolt out, so we're just going to cut it off. But since it's Thanksgiving, we're not going to do that today. We're just going to paint our tank. And our tank actually looks really good for the age of it. You know, this thing ain't as bad clapped as everybody thinks it is. I know the pictures look bad, you know.
Very.
But it'll clean up nice, I guarantee it. So, by springtime, we should be riding this thing. Alright, for further inspection on our tank, we have, we took our petcock off, and our seal is broken, so, I'm going to try to see if we can find a new one of these, or just a new seal in general. Otherwise, it looks pretty good. A little rusty, but I mean, the inside of the tank's real clean. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but Alright guys, so we're going to call it a wrap here today. I got a lot of it sanded down. It's going to be painted here in a bit. So, thanks for watching today. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for part 2, and you know, subscribe if you're new here. So.